Welcome to the tutorial on using the TrackWizard program. In this first part we will see what are the necessary software and hardware components and how to install them on our PC. The program allows you to mount, on the same timeline, audio, video and DMX tracks simultaneously, synchronizing them to the frame. Thanks to the dual video mixer, up to 2 secondary VGA outputs or network video streams can be used, and up to 16 audio tracks on professional cards. DMX device management takes place through the use of a dedicated USB DMX controller, which allows you to drive up to 512 channels for each timeline. To start using the software, you need to download the necessary components from the website www.TutorIal1 in the TrackWizard section. The minimum version requires the program installer, the utilities for audio-video conversion, and the drivers for the USB DMX controller. Once the download has been completed, proceed with installing the drivers and then installing the program. At the first run, the TrackWizard requests the activation of the software license by entering the username and password used on the website. After the first activation, it will no longer be necessary to connect to the internet to use the program. Starting the program, the initial window for choosing the project to open is shown. We can create a new project, open a previous project from disk, or open the last project we were working on. We create a new project by selecting the name, the folder on the disk where all the project files will be stored, the audio-video device to be used for the outputs, the video format of the project, and the number of audio channels to use. When choosing the device, all the tabs and options detected in the system will be shown. For example, here we will have the possibility to select a Blackmagic Professional Video Sound Card, the generic audio-video preview, the output on NDI network port, or output to a secondary VGA monitor. To start, we select the generic output, 2 audio channels and a video format 1920 by 1080. It is important to select the video format based on the standard of the video files that we are going to insert in the project. By clicking on Save, the project will be generated and we can start working on it. We will see in the next video the composition of the project and the windows of the program with the main functions. Thanks for watching.